How to change Bitmoji outfit on a Snapchat. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. To change outfit on a Snapchat, what you have to do is you have to click on your Bitmoji in the top left corner, then you come to this page and then click on the, you can see the settings icon in the top right corner. You have to click on this and then you have to scroll down and then click on the Bitmoji, and then you come to this page and here you can see the change outfit option. In the bottom you can see the first option. You have to click on the change outfit. When you click on the change outfit, it is changing your outfits. You can change any of the outfits. You can wear sunglasses, you can like this one, you can choose any of the sunglasses. You can uh, add dresses, you can choose the dresses. You can choose the shoes, you can choose the socks, you can choose the shirts. You can choose any of things, and after choosing this you can after that you can, what you can do is you can simply click on the save button in the top right corner, and then you have changed your outfit on the Snapchat. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. I appreciate